Hey everyone, welcome back again. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, I will show you how to use Purpley as a student to find the best tutor fast. If you want to learn a language, this is very helpful. Before we start, please check the description below. I put the link to Purpley and some important tips there. You can find the latest information and updates in the description too. Alright, now let's begin. First, open your phone or computer and go to the Purpley website link by visiting the description. When you log in, the first thing is to choose the language you want to learn. For example, English, Spanish, French, or anything you want to learn. So let's English and find the tutor. Let's set the goal time 0 to 6 months. So it asks you about your budget. Let's say $8 to $11. Now you will see many tutor. It can be confusing, but don't worry. You can use the filter to find the best tutor for you. For example, you can filter by price, you can filter by expertise and other thing. If you want to save money, choose tutor with lower price, but if you want a very experienced tutor, expect to pay more. After filtering, check the tutor profile one by one and look at their photo, their introduction video if they have one, and read what they write about themselves. If you like one tutor, you can book a trial lesson. Trial lessons are short and cheaper. This is important because it helps you to see if the tutor style matches with your learning style. Also, plan your study time before you book. Purpley shows the tutor's calendar. Pick a time that you can regularly study. Consistency is very important in language learning. Lastly, use Purpley's chat feature to talk to your tutor anytime. You can ask for extra help or homework. This helps keep your learning going between lessons. So using Purpley is simple. If you follow these steps, it helps you to find a tutor fast and start learning without wasting time. That's all for today. Don't forget to check the description for the link, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and support the channel. I will see you in the next video.